buddy. I don't know where the Bluejay is, but Kitty Ginger Boy is pretty lifted right now. He's been rolling around a little bit from the catnip. He's sitting with the catnip right there. But this guy keeps yelling at him. This Bluejay's like, you don't live here really, or something. We have an open policy really with our catnip. We just, it's just an herbal apothecary for our friends in the garden. So anybody passing by can get a little nip. All right, y'all have a good night. Peace.